Hello everyone. So like in my previous video as well, I was talking about job profiles. I was talking how to get the right job or the suitable job for your profile. And I was also talking about how to be pro at your work or how to take care of clients. So in today's video, I want to talk about Naukri portal, that how do we create account on Naukri or how do we utilize this portal, because we often hear it from people around that go create your profile on naukri.com, upload your resume there, upload your profile information on the Naukri, but most of us listen to that and go back to naukri.com, and sometimes we often get confused that how to create the account or how to upload the resume or how do we make sure that the right recruiter reach out to us. So most of the people know that, but they don't get enough time to do that, and most of us do not know how to use it in a right way. So today I thought, why not to share it with all of you, that how to create account on naukri.com, how to make sure that your profile is reaching out to the right people so that right recruiter can hire you, and then that can be a boost to your profile. So let's start. As you can see that I have shared my screen, and I am starting from the scratch. So uh, let me take you through the steps one by one. So what you have to do, very first thing that you have to do, you have to go to the Google, and then on Google you have to click on Naukri login, and the moment you clicked on this, you've got this page www.naukri.com. You have to click here, and then this page comes where it says, on registering you can build your profile and let recruiters find you, get job postings delivered right to your email, find a job and grow your career. All right, second thing is already registered, login here. So there are two things on the Naukri portal that you do. First thing, if you are already a registered user, so if you already have account on naukri.com, then you simply have to put your account details, your login credentials, and then you will be good to go. You will be able to log into your account. But if you did not already create your account on naukri.com and you are a job seeker, you are looking for a job, so I would suggest and recommend you that first of all, very first thing that you have to do is to go to naukri.com, or other portals are also available in the market. Go to these portals, update your profile, register there, and upload your resume, so that rather than you reach out to your colleagues or people around you, you are updated on these portals so that these recruiters reach out to you and they know about your profile. If you will not upload your profile to these portals, how will people know that you're looking for the job? Right? So it is always important that we use our skills in a right way. All right, so let's start it. So let's start from the scratch, very basic. So for example, you do not have an account on naukri.com and you are doing it for the very first time. You are creating an account on naukri.com. So you have to enter your name. So like I am entering my name, full name Varsha Verma. Tell us your email ID. I am entering my email ID com. Okay, now I am entering the password. So since I already have account on naukri.com, that's why it's saying that you already have an account. So if you have ever tried in the past to create account on Naukri and unfortunately you could not, or any error occurred, in that case also it will give you this kind of error. Then you have to enter your mobile number, your 10 digits mobile number, and you have to enter your work status, whether you are an experienced person or you are a fresher. So I think I will have to create an account, because after creating an account you have to um, submit details step by step. So let me use my other email address, Varma Varsha dot Varma 3105@gmail.com. Okay, and you keep the password that you want to keep. I have keep I am keeping this password. Password, like we always know that you should not share your password with anyone else. I have entered my mobile number also. Uske baad, after that, if you are an experienced person or you are in a fresher, you have to choose that wisely. So let's start from fresher first, and then we will come back to I am experienced again, because I want to make sure that a fresher person also knows how to go step by step. So mention your current city. For example, if Bangalore is your current city, then you can mention your Bangalore as your current city. Now you have to upload your resume. So you can upload your resume. I need to find my resume. My resume was right here. Where did my resume go? I by mistake missed my resume. Never mind. Let me find it out for you all. Okay, I found it. Upload resume, and here is my resume. But this is an experienced person's resume. Never mind. So in this video, I am not sharing how to create the resume. So we are using the already created resume. Now it says send me important updates on WhatsApp. So if you check it, then every time you will get all the updates from Naukri.com on the WhatsApp. And if you don't check it, if you don't want updates on WhatsApp, and you are somebody who regularly uh, can check your account through Naukri, then it's well and good. Right now I am not checking it. I am going to click on register now, and I am going to get an OTP on my mobile number. So okay, yeah, so here I am. Now, the second step that you have to mention your education. So I am a postgraduate. I will select my post-graduation. I will select MBA, PGDM. I will select my specialization finance. And I had, okay. And then it is asking for the university name. So you can enter your university name. It always give you many names. You can choose Kurukshetra University. Now, if you are looking for course type, so if your course was full-time, part-time, or distance, you have to choose that. You have to enter your year, in which year you started and in which year you passed out. Then you have to enter your key skills. So in your key skills, you have to enter, like if you were, for example, so if you are a finance expert, then you can enter client communication if you are expert in communication. All right. If you are expert in Jira, then you can enter Jira. If you are expert in programming, you can enter programming. If you are expert in C++, you can enter that. If you are plus in you're expert in software engineering or in Java or in analysis or in budgeting, forecasting, or in market research. If no anything is not given in that list, then you can always find it out. If it's not showing there, then you can simply tag it like this. You can enter primary research, secondary research, financial research like this. You can enter your key skills and you click on save and continue. After that, the second step comes, which is add headline and preferences. So you always have to add preferences to get relevant job recommendations and make your profile stronger. So resume headline, add resume headline and preferences to make your profile stronger and get relevant jobs recommendations. So if you are, for example, you are a finance expert, so always say finance expert. Or if you are a CA and then you are into investment banking, you enter this CA investment banking or MBA finance, and you can and mention MBA finance and marketing. You can always mention that. So basically, you have to mention the most used part of your job or the most important key skill that you have in your resume headline so that people can reach out to you on the basis of that. So for example, if you are a data scientist, always mention data scientist. Or if you are a data analyst, then enter data analyst. You can enter multiple things as well, like machine learning. And then if you are into client communication as well, you can enter client communication. So that using these resume headline, people will pick up your profile. So for example, a recruiter have to find somebody who is a data scientist. So they will put filters on backend, and on the basis of your resume headline, they will pick up your profile. So you have to choose your resume headline really wisely so that when they put filters to check kind of profile, and if that matches your profile should not be a miss. All right. Now, suggestions. Job seeker with MBA PGDM in finance, currently living in Bangalore, looking for job requiring following skills. So you can choose any of them. You can choose, I believe, both of them also. I don't know. You can choose either of them. So your resume headline will change on the basis of your key skills also. But if you don't choose it, then the resume headline that you had posted, that will be there, and these are just suggestions. If you want to keep these suggestions as your resume headline, then you can keep these suggestions as your resume headline, or you can simply put manual suggestions, which I had entered earlier. Now, preferred work location. So if you want to work in Bangalore, you want to work in Pune, you want to work in NCR, you want remote, you want Kolkata, you want Gurgaon, you want Hyderabad, you want Chennai. So maximum, I believe you can enter 10 work locations, right? Now, your preferred salary. So if, for example, you are earning 7 lakhs and now you want an increment in your package, then you can enter your expected preferred salary. You can always enter your gender and then you submit it. Okay, now Naukri.com. Be a priority applicant and stand out from your peers with Naukri paid services. Are you interested in knowing more about other benefits of paid services? Skip and continue. Yes, I am interested. So if you are somebody who is first time user of Naukri.com, I would suggest that you first explore it on your own, and once you have experienced it and you see that you got benefits of it, then later on, if you come to a stage in life where you think that you need more recruiter to reach out to you so that your profile can get selected to the kind of organization that you want, you can go for the paid services. So for now, I am doing skip and continue. Now my profile is ready and this is how it looks like. I have entered the internal page of Naukri.com. Now let's start from really from the top. So it says jobs. Under jobs, it has recommended jobs, jobs from recruiters, jobs from alerts, application status, saved jobs. So if any job that matches your profile, it says two new. So it has two new recommended jobs for you, matching your profile, which you have mentioned in your key skills and in your resume headline. And then on the basis of that, you have jobs from recruiters, jobs from alerts, application status. If you have applied for any job, then that will show you under application status, and if you have saved any job, that will show you under saved jobs. Under companies, whatever option you click, if you click on top companies, IT companies, fintech companies, featured companies, research companies, salary calculator, whenever you click on all these pages, you will get all the information about that particular company or that particular question. Services. Under services, the kind of services Naukri provides, when you take paid services, then they have resume writing, then they have find jobs, get recruiter attention, learn upskill, monthly subscription, free resume resources. You can go through it one by one, and then you can learn more about it, that what all Naukri provides. Okay, you can search your job, enter your company where you want to work, enter your kind of experience that you have, and enter the location and search. You will have all the available filters which which is available in Naukri for that specific company or for that specific package that you're looking for. And then again, it gives you recommended jobs matching your key skills, pending actions. Since I have created this page, this profile on naukri.com, it is asking me to verify my email address. Then the offers, if you want to take paid services, then it always gives you offers as well, where you get good discount. Then you can go for promotional offer as well, and then recruiter searches. So whenever recruiters search your profile, you will get information over here, right? And then over here you can always upload your picture, and then your profile performance, search appearances, recruit actions. So whenever you will search jobs, and then if your recruiters have found your profile, then it will show here, and if recruiters have taken any action against your profile, that will also show here. Okay, this page is not required right now, so I will not go there. So let's say we are here on the second tab. It says search job. So same thing which was showing here in search job, same thing is here. You have to enter the skill that you have, or you can enter your designation, or you can enter the company where you want to work. You can always enter your location along with these uh, few job skill designation companies, and then search. You will have multiple options available matching your skill set, and then you can start applying for the job. And then here you can upload your picture, and it says update profile. I clicked on that, and you have to click on this, and you have to upload your photo from here. So if I have any picture, I don't have any picture available right now. Let's leave it. You have to enter, you can edit your details from here. Your name, your education, your phone number, your email address. You can always change from here, okay? Then you can always, since you have to verify your email address, so it is showing here. Profile completed, because I have not verified my account yet. I am yet to update my resume and all. That's why it's showing 68%. The moment I will update everything, it will be 100%. And on the right hand side, it is showing 6 pending actions. You have to verify your email, you have to add your department, you have to add photos, and when you click view all, it will show you everything. Add availability to join. So whenever you will click here edit, you can always ask if you are an immediate joiner, or if you need job after 2 months, or if you are on notice period. Whatever option you will choose, that will start reflecting here. Now you have to update your resume. Since my resume is already updated, so I don't have to re-update it. But if you 6 months, after 6 months, or a year, you feel that you need to update a new resume, you have changed a company, or you made certain changes in your professional journey, you can always delete the previous resume and update the next one. Resume headline, you can always change it. Key skills which you initially chose, you can change it. Add employment. So if you are currently working somewhere, you can enter. If you are working in the current employer, yes, no, full time, your total experience, your company name, your designation, your joining date, your salary, the skills that you have used in your previous organization or current organization. You can always mention your job profile. The more explanatory it will be, the more it will be beneficial for you, because it will help you uh, in the recruiter search. So whenever recruiters will search your profile, they will be able to find your profile. You can always mention your notice period as well in the profile. Okay, after that you have to enter your education. So you have to enter, if you have done all the educational related details, you have to start from here: your 10th detail, your 12th detail, your graduation diploma detail, your PhD detail. You have to enter everything in the education sector. Then you have to enter your IT skills, if there are any projects detail, if you have worked on any project in internship or in college or in your current company. If you have worked on any specific project, you can always share the details of that. You have to enter profile summary. So always make sure that you give a small summary of your profile, where you mention about your career, your education, your professional interest, or anything related to your profile. If you add here, it actually helps. We always think that, oh my god, it has so many details that they're asking and so many information to fill in. But no, when you actually fill your profile details in detail, it actually helps. And then you can enter your accomplishments, if there are any. You can always read and make sure that you enter. So like, it's asking for online profile. If you have on LinkedIn and Facebook, always click add and enter the link of URL of that social media account. Work sample, if you have worked on GitHub or any other data science or data analytics related tool, always enter that. White paper, if you have done any research or anything. So these are the certification and presentation pages. If you have done anything, you can always do that. You can enter your personal details again over here. Here you can enter if there's any specific industry that you want to work in, any department, any desired job, any shift timing, employment type, or any expectations of salary that you have. You can always edit and add it here. And same way, these are the same details which we have discussed over there. It will just start reflecting here. So that's how, this is the basic thing that you do. Once your profile is ready and it starts showing 100% over here, you can just click on search and start looking for the job. So for example, I am looking for a job in Converges, and I have 1 year of experience, and I am looking for in Gurgaon. Let's search if I find anything. Okay, they don't have anything for me. Let's find Amazon. See, Amazon has multiple options. They posted 1 day ago only. So from here you can select department, you can select salary range, you can select role category, you can select education and other details, and that's how you can select your filter and you can start applying for the job. So for example, I got this job. Now I can read everything about it. Like, this is the job, this is the package, this is the location. Their requirement is 0 to 2 years, and they're hiring for BPO company and having good process like Samsung and Airtel ka process that they have. And if you, their job description is like, these are the details that you have to read. If it matches your profile, you have to apply it. So that's how, when you are a fresher or at a student level, or you did not know in the past that how to create account and how to utilize such portals, I think this video can actually help you to at least start from the basic. I will come with more videos. I will also share one video where I can tell how you can re-update your profile being an experienced employee, and how can you utilize the Naukri.com or any other portal. Thank you.